This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 6, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, Colorado detector, slideout, spare tire kit, TV, water heater, microwave, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is 9,513 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.